All right, active open houses. In this market, tight inventory market, what a great thing for you to do to create business. Right, let's say it's your farm, and let's say there's 1,000 homes in your farm. You want to have your open house on Saturday. It's Monday. Knock 200 doors a day. 200 doors, Monday through Friday. That's 1,000 for your open house. Shows everybody in the neighborhood that you're working. Okay, you're also doing something really good for your listing. Even if it's not your listing, it's another agent's listing you're doing it for. All right, while you're out there knocking, at least 2 of the days, if not 3, do videos. Hey, I'm out here today knocking for my house on, right? Do a selfie video. All right, everybody sees it. It's awesome. The day you show up to your active open house, okay, you're doing Facebook Live that morning. So it's a great event to get out there and be proactive. It's a great event to show everybody in the neighborhood or your farm that you're working. Also, make sure everybody in your farm is connected with you on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, okay, all the TikTok, whatever you use, make sure you're all connected. Same with your sphere, all right? And then everybody sees you doing this. Not only is it a great event for your listing and for you, it's also for future business. And every time you have an active open house, you do this, or when you're out door knocking, the same thing. So all these things you're doing, you just accumulate. Remember, when you post on social media, you should be putting content, but you should also be documenting what you're doing too. Okay, give it a try.